Alright, what's up, everyone? Rush Choice. Brought it back. Lowered the prices to normal. And now it's flying. Good luck. And we have 33 and 34 for tonight. After we do 34, we'll do 4 boxers of contenders. Screen 4 is for 4 boxers. This is an unbelievable. I'm stunned. Anyone else shocked by the Kings? This is incredible. Take your no wars. We're going to work our way towards a 100 spotter in that. Next day. Next day, next day, next day. Good luck. Ooh. It's an ooh next day. Nemhard, Jabari, Wendell. How about a next day auto of Benedict Mathurin for Army and the Pacers? Nice piece for Army. We're not attacking 33 and 34. Incredible first auto. Then we have Josh Minott for Minnesota. Are we watching? Blue of Jabari for the Rockets. This is incredible. Then we have red of Vince Williams, the Grizzlies. And then red of Nasir Little. We have another next day. No, we have a gold. We don't have a next day. We have a gold, though. This is incredible, guys. This is incredible. Guys, are we watching? Are we paying attention? Isaiah Mobley, Duran. We have a nice PC piece. Agbaji rookie auto for the Jazz. Nice piece. Really nice piece. Really nice piece. Then we have Kennedy Chandler, Grizzlies. Red of Giddey. And then we have a gold. It's a rookie. It's Kendall Brown. Pacers. All right, guess the last auto of the break. And then a blue of Minott, Minnesota. Guys, attack 33 and 34. This stuff is insane. The new pricing, this stuff is ridiculous. It's not real. It's not real. It really isn't. It's not a real... Another next day, I believe. I believe we have another next day. And it's a good one. This is incredible. This break makes absolutely no sense. It does not make any sense. I'm not even kidding anymore. This isn't making any sense. Absolutely no sense. It makes absolutely no sense. How about a next day of Jabari for the Rockets? This product makes absolutely no sense. Benedict and Jabari in the same 4 boxer? That's incredible. That's insane. Guys, the Sharps know this. The Sharps, they understand it. This product, it makes absolutely no sense. And we have Bryce McGowan's attack 33, attack 34. The product's too cheap now, honestly. It's too cheap. It's incredible. Blue of Quickly. Congrats, Buckeye. Let's go, Lakers. And a second-year red of Kate. Like, we didn't just hit 2 next days this break. It's next days of Jabari and Benedict. It's incredible. And then a red Kawhi. Clippers. Davis with an early foul. We have another next. We don't have another next day. We do, but we don't. We do. This is incredible. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. 3 out of 4 auto. 3 next days. Shaded. Chet. That's a good one. This is incredible. This is insane. This stuff is insane, people. How about a next day of Christian Braun for the Nuggets? Wow. PJ. Unbelievable. Blue auto of Wendell Moore. And we have a blue Gary Payton. Incredible. This stuff is just insane. Just is. Red, nice, of Jason Tatum for the Ticks. And then red of Jeremy Grant for the Blaze Kids. What a break. Next one's hitting. We only have 2 more for today. They're both 100% going at these prices. Incredible. Grizzlies look like they came to play. Oh, and you hit the blue. Look at this. Unbelievable. So the gold and that will beat the sort. And then your blue and your next day will beat the sort. Congratulations, guys. Thanks for filling it. This is one of my favorites. You know, it's one of my favorites because people can hit. Any more tenders? As of right now, no. But you never know.